So this is the morning sound. I have been able to spend such a wonderful time here at GYV cooking, working with wonderful staff and the youth. It's rejuvenation for me. It's like my chicken soup for the soul. And to look at all the youth and to look into their eyes and realize, ooh, there is hope. So I'm getting ready to go to the kitchen to prepare lunch for about 92 people. I am so happy and so full of joy and so grateful that I am able to do this, that I have the opportunity. And we create whatever we need in our lives, and I really needed to be here. Spurs me on. Listen to that. Isn't that wonderful? The sounds of nature, the sounds of life. This is Nam-myoho Renge Kyo. This is Kyo. Yeah, and a cute little tree and the driveway. And there's some sitting on the stairs waiting for Issa, and that's the house. It's going to be a beautiful day. Life is wonderful. It's what we create. There's so much going on, but there's always going to be so much going on. But it's whether we look at the negative or the positive. And if we can take from the positive, we can overcome anything, any challenge that we're given. So I am thankful to all the staff and all the participants for allowing me to be here and contributing what I can to saving the